Richie Ruckus Beats.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back today. It is Thursday, November 1st. I hope everybody had a safe and happy Halloween. If you've been with the channel for a little while, you know that Halloween is like Christmas to me and my girlfriend, Nyasha. So this past weekend, the day the Yeezy 700 Mauves dropped, me and Nay actually went to Bethlehem, PA, and went and seen the original Halloween movie up on the big screen at this movie theater up there. You know, Michael Myers is an OG to us. We love Michael Myers. And, you know, there's a lot of my Sneaker Things merch. And if you haven't checked it out, richieruckus.com. Some pieces are still available. But a lot of my Sneaker Things merch borrows from the fall and the Halloween season. My birthday's in October. So it's just, Halloween is like I said, it's like Christmas to us. But now that we're in November, that means the holiday season is upon us. Thanksgiving will be here in the flash of an eye, and then right after that, we have Christmas. So this is the time of year where the sneaker brands start to really bring their A game at the end of the year and try to make that final push to outdo the competition. That being said, I got a brand new sneaker pickup. Once again, shout out to the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. If it feels like I bring them up every video, it's probably because I do. They are the best, hands down, sneaker shop here in Philly. I do most of my sneaker shopping there. The staff is very courteous. They know their stuff, and you know, they treat you like family when you go in there. So if you're local, make sure you guys are checking out Lapstone Hammer, and if not, lapstonehammer.com. Lastly, before we get into this unboxing, I want to thank everybody for all the love I've been getting on my two recent Yeezy 700 videos. And some things I want to talk about. One, I want to address the elephant in the room. Every video I drop, somebody brings up my accent. I am born and raised here in Philadelphia. I've never lived anywhere else. So this is a 100% authentic, hands down, Philadelphia accent you guys hear in every one of these videos. People leave crazy comments like, where are you from? They say that I say Nike weird. I don't know. Nike is all I ever said, is all I ever hear. Nike. N-I-K-E, Nike. People leave crazy comments like Noike, N-O-I-K-E. Like, I don't know, maybe I do pronounce it weird. But I'm from Philly, and this is just how I talk. And, you know, people are like, are you foreign? And like, crazy questions. Why are you trying to hide your accent, bro? Like, I'm from Philly. I'm of half Italian, half Irish descent, so I'm not covering anything up. This is actually how I talk. Now that that's out of the way, you guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these warlocks. We got the Nike Zoom Fly SP with that big orange camo swoosh. Fire. These are dumb, crazy, stupid. You guys know I am a huge Nike fan. The Nike Air Max 1 and the Jordan 1 and 3 are what really introduced me into the sneaker game. And, you know, sneakers consume my life. And as much as I love Adidas and love the direction that they're going, and I love New Balance, and I love Asics, and I love Saucony, and the list goes on. You know, Nike has always been, like, my first true love. The fact that I haven't really reviewed a Nike lately was really bothering me. But, you know, nothing was dropping that I absolutely needed. And at that point in my life where I'm not just buying sneakers just to buy them. Like, you really got to be eye-catching. You really got to grab my attention. I really got to gravitate towards the sneaker for me to want to go spend the money on it. Because, like I said in all my videos, I'm not seeded product. I'm a small YouTube channel. And, you know, this isn't my job. This is a hobby. I just love talking sneakers. And, you know, my girlfriend, it only goes so far talking to Nay. Like, eventually I got it, you know, it's too much. So that's how this channel started. And, you know, it's just an outlet for me to talk sneakers. Whether one person's watching or 10,000, so on and so forth. But it was just really, really bothering me that there wasn't a Nike that was, you know, making me need. You know, Nike didn't drop a sneaker that I absolutely needed, that I absolutely had to review. And you guys know I love camo. You cannot go wrong with this orange camo on the Zoom Fly. I'm not really going to get too crazy into the review because the Zoom Fly SP has been out for a while. And, you know, this isn't nothing new or groundbreaking, earth-shattering with this colorway as far as the aesthetics of the sneaker. You know, you still got that predominantly translucent upper that the SP is known for. So many people are going to sleep on this sneaker. And, you know, these hit... There's so many dope colorways right now at a plethora of places that are well below retail. But this is just such a dope sneaker, and you know, it doesn't get a lot of the respect that it deserves. I know that a translucent upper isn't anything new, but the way the Element React 87 catches, you know, all the attention and all the hype, the Zoom Fly SP had that translucent upper first. You know, a lot of people credit the Off White movement with that. This sneaker, without any collab attached to it, the translucent upper was a mainstay on the Zoom Fly SP. I feel like if this exact sneaker in my hand, this colorway, which is Team Orange Black Sail, is the official colorway of this orange camo Zoom Fly SP, if this was a collab, people would be going crazy over them. If this was an Off-White or an Atmos or one of the other, you know, luxury / streetwear brands that Nike is known to do collabs with, people will be going crazy over these. And I just feel like, you know, the Zoom Fly did have a little bit of steam behind it when they first dropped. And then obviously when it was part of Virgil and Nike's, the 10, you know, he did an Off-White version of these. They obviously sold really well, and the resale on them is crazy. But I just feel like the Zoom Fly SP, so comfortable, so stylish, is a great casual and performance sneaker. Whether you're just, you know, chilling at a bar, watching some Sunday football with your homies, or you're out trying to get a leisurely jog in, you're out for a run. These do it all. This sneaker is multifaceted. You know, gets the job done no matter what you're asking of it to do. The cushioning on these is phenomenal. These are very, very comfortable. But again, the translucent upper. What I like about these is, and I'm not one of these people, but I know so many people who they'll just throw two crusty ass socks together and be like, all right, this is what I'm wearing my sneakers, because no one really gets to see them. Like, that's what I love about the Zoom Fly SP and the Element 87. Like, it really forces you to set the bar just as high for your sock game as you do for your sneaker game. You gotta have a fresh pair of dope socks to pull off any of these sneakers that have this translucent upper. You can't be walking around with one white and one black, you know, no-show sock trying to rock these. You'll see half your foot will be covered. You really gotta have a dope, fresh sock game. Your sock swag gotta match your sneaker swag when it comes to rocking a translucent upper. But we're going to go duty on foot. Just a few things about the shoe. I will leave the link, as usual, down the Lapstone Hammer in the description. But they retail at $150. They are definitely a true-to-size sneaker. And like I said, don't even bother wasting your money if you ain't going to come correct with the sock game. Your sock game got to be heavy in these streets if you're going to rock a translucent upper like the Nike Zoom Fly SP. But that's it, guys. We're going to go duty on foot. I will be back on Monday with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
How fire is this camo with the orange sneaker things, hoodie? That's all I'm saying. I'm camouflaged down. Put your camera phones down. Boom. Orange box.
Richie Ruckus